Okay, my name is rob.buser, and I'm just extremely curious if you like to find out a way in order to put your income or your business, whatever it is, your online business or your internet marketing business or your multi-level marketing business on autopilot. So are you curious? I'm curious if you're curious to find out how to put these systems in place to put your income on autopilot. That's what it's all about. So when you find out, we just found out that most top earners, whether they are in multi-level marketing companies or residual income opportunities, or maybe they are business people in the regular world with shops or big investment firms, but everyone that is successful, or most people that are successful at this moment anyway, they have their income on autopilot with follow-up systems, with video follow-up systems. So I'm just curious if I can help you find out how people do that and how we can do that for you, or maybe how we can teach you to do that yourself, or perhaps use the system use the system itself to earn an income, a residual income. That's possible too. So we just found out how, or specifically how to help you doing this on autopilot, and that can be a huge variety of opportunities. So whether you are, maybe you have social benefits and you're looking for an easy way to make a buck online with a system that is already in place, well, this is the opportunity for you. This could be an opportunity for you. Or perhaps you are already a very successful multi-level marketing individual that is creating huge events or give Zoom call presentations or webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions. Perhaps you are an online vlogger or a self-made individual. There's also gazillionaires, so people with a lot of money using these systems in order to promote themselves or their business, or have their firm, their marketing people do it for them. But the system that I'm not only teaching but also reselling is totally video oriented, can put your whole complete business on autopilot. So income on autopilot, unlimited streams, so you can literally use it for different businesses if you're in different niches. Nowadays people have different income opportunities. They need to automate all of that. That's very possible. So would it be okay for you to click links underneath this video to start right away, or to get more video info? Make sure you click on the right link for you. There's some suggestions underneath. When you see this on the page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. Probably on the right of this video underneath. Then we'll send you appropriate video information. We won't spam you. If we do, it's from my enthusiasm. It's not to bother you or to get you into something that you don't want to. You can start credit card and absolutely for free. You can start without a credit card and absolutely for free too. There's a free opportunity, so look for the word free. And there's also an opportunity to start the system 7 days for free and make sure you get certain members in, so that you can literally create a residual income absolutely no money down. That is an opportunity that's rare, it's new, but make use of that. I did, and I created 2 members before I actually had to pay. And the system that I'm using to duplicate everything, to automate everything, is 100% for free for me for the rest of my life. And next to that, when you create members for the system on itself, you get, I think, $25 every month, time in, a month in, month out, time again. So that's an automated income on itself. So here you go, wide variety of opportunities. No money down opportunities. I'm even willing to help you if you really need some money to start up. So that's my good cause. So that's it. Click links underneath. Leave your best email address, mobile telephone number, whatever is necessary to get more information. You can start right away as well. We have some wonderful video information telling you the secrets and telling you the real inside information why these big earners make so much money on autopilot. And then I'll see you and yours definitely in one of our live streaming sessions, webinars, seminars, We have events and clinics. I'm organizing more and more master classes. So when you really want to elaborate whatever you have on autopilot already, and you want to really create huge amounts of traffic, visitors, and we even have an artificial intelligent piece of software now that is literally filling your business, that is literally building your teams, building your business. That's available now as well. I'll probably put a link underneath that for the pre-launch inner circle information to get a hold of that before the masses get a hold of that. So look for a link for the, we call this an AI, an artificial intelligence software program that we have our hands on that literally creates leads on autopilot. You do not have to create, or you do not have to recruit any longer once you have your hold on that piece of software. So here you go, click links underneath, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number so I can send you appropriate video information. I'll see you and yours definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you. Fast little afterburner. When you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share somewhere in this area underneath this YouTube video. When you click on that, little social media icons pop up and you're able to share this on your social media accounts. Sharing is caring. I'll see you on the beaches of the world. Check you soon.